Hi guys, how's it going? So welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing very well. So in this video, you guys are gonna see I have never done a wing liner in my entire life. As long as I've known myself, I've never been one into makeup, to be honest. So I have a wedding to go to in the summer coming up, God's willing, and I honestly want to do my best and I want to look good for that wedding, okay? Because it's my cousin's wedding and I want to look so good that she's impressed with me. All right, so I'm gonna be trying a lot of stuff on my channel pertaining to makeup. So this is the first step. So I hope you guys enjoy this. It is not the best. As you can see, I made mistakes, okay? Just because it's my first time, I'm gonna make mistakes and that's okay. As long as we continue to try, we're gonna get there, okay? Also, I'm gonna be putting on some lashes. It will be my second time to put lashes on. Not my second, my third time to put lashes on, and still they give me a hard time. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you in my next one.